This video shows how to buy shares of DIDI Global Inc., listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DIDIY. DIDI Global provides mobility and urban transportation services. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with a government ID and add funds before trading. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker DIDIY to locate the correct listing. Verify the exchange and company name to ensure you have the right asset. On the asset page, review the company overview and the recent price chart to confirm it is DIDI Global Inc. Check details like the NASDAQ exchange and the ticker before proceeding. To place a buy order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it opens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to explore the platform.